We are deep into May, and how have the cryptocurrency markets gone? Well, they've been predominantly up. If you got in at the start of the year, if you got in mid-March and you have a diverse portfolio of cryptos, then most likely you are up in several multiples. But there have been ups and downs. There's been days where everything seems to go down 10, 15%, but then bounce back the next couple of days. But if you're watching this and you are brand new to cryptos, you don't have any cryptos yet, you're watching all this unfold, you've been hearing things on the news, you are seeing on social media all these people claiming all this money they're making, and you want a piece of the action, but you're a bit hesitant, you don't know what to buy, is it too late? So today I thought I'd give you 4 cryptocurrencies that I think have a good chance of continuing to grow during this bull run. Now, these 4 are based on utility and hype. In this crazy market, you can't just look at utility, what a coin does, and the fundamentals. You have to consider the hype, you have to consider the price, momentum, and the price history. Because this market is irrational. It's sending coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu into the top 10, 20 by market cap. So I think these coins have a good balance of hype and fundamentals, and that makes them juicy enough for good potential returns. Now, be aware this is not financial advice. Cryptocurrencies are very risky. You could invest and lose everything. So be aware and always do your own research. I'm going to try not to go into too much of the technicals behind each coin. You can spend days researching what each of these coins does, down to what programming language they use and what the developers are doing. But in most cases, it's not really necessary to understand the hype and the fundamentals around a particular coin. That being said, here are the 4 coins I would buy if I was new to crypto. All right, first coin we're looking at is Cardano. Cardano currently sits at number 5 at a market cap of around 60 million, 7 times less than Ethereum, which Cardano is a competitor to Ethereum. Ethereum being a bit more advanced, but the advantage of that is that Cardano can build a product that is more relevant. So let's look at the chart here, and Cardano has been smashing all-time highs. I actually wanted to make this video a lot early in the week, but I still think Cardano has a lot of momentum and price potential during this bull run. I think you're going to see money come out of Bitcoin. Ethereum might pump a little bit more, but there are people still wary of Ethereum's disadvantages, and they're going to be looking at the next best competitor, which on price is Cardano. I was holding Cardano back in 2017, 2018. It went on a nice pump, and then people bought in for as little as 3 cents before this bull run. So there would be a lot of people sitting on big bags, but nevertheless, there is a lot of potential new money to come in as well. You can look at Cardano's website. They're very transparent with where they're at. I know the creator is on social media and answers a lot of questions, and they're very transparent. A lot of positive press around Cardano. They're at the stage where they want to implement smart contracts. That's the reason why they are behind Ethereum. But there's a lot of articles, a lot of information out there. They're always updating and upgrading. You can read about these upgrades. But just the feeling I get in the market from TikTok, the hype is there. The hype train is about to depart, and I think this is only going to go higher and higher. Mid $2, $3, who knows where this could go. As I said, it is 7 times cheaper than Ethereum, and it was 8 times the other day. So that gap is going to get smaller and smaller, I suspect. Also, with Cardano, you can check out their Reddit, and there's a lot of people trying to get the attention of Elon Musk to support Cardano based on the fact that it's a lot more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin. Okay, next coin I am suggesting is XRP Ripple. Controversial coin. Another coin that's been around for years. It's got its lovers, it's got its haters. They are involved in lawsuits, issues around whether XRP is a currency or a security. And this all adds risk, but it also gives another catalyst for price movement if it's something they overcome. Now, some people don't like XRP because they say it's not decentralized, but the point, it might not even have to be. It has a use case and it's forging on ahead with that. You can read about it all over the internet and on their website. It's been relisted back on many exchanges, and word is that if it gets relisted or listed on Coinbase, that the price will take off. So looking at this chart, I remember the huge spike that it went to $3.50 back at the start of 2018, and then it crashed, and it's been dormant until this bull run. I hear a lot of seasoned crypto influencers talking about holding XRP, so why wouldn't you want to hold it? They aim to facilitate payments, global payments, and do what Swift does at the moment. Plenty of information around their lawsuit, price predictions, $2, $4. You can read all about that. Price has been sideways and trending down for a bit. If you do believe the bull run is just getting started, then this is one that can take off with the bull run. Keeping in mind that it is risky, it might surge, look to exit, lock in a profit, and then look at other coins. Okay, next coin, I wasn't sure what to suggest. There's many good projects, but I did want to give you guys ones that have potential to move in price. Solid projects like Polkadot and Chainlink. And then I remembered I have this coin, Icon, ICX. I've had it since 2018, maybe even 2017. Hit all-time highs of $12 back in 2018. And now there's been a bit of positive price movement of late, but only around $2. There's a good article on Medium why ICX is a top 10 project. They basically go into what Icon is. It's a crypto that can talk to other blockchains similar to Polkadot and Chainlink, but this article says how it's a lot cheaper than those. This is a South Korean backed coin as well. I believe they have partnerships with Samsung. As you can see here, they have partnerships with Samsung. Samsung being a South Korean company. Yeah, you can read more about it here, but I think ICX is a good buy. I think it's under the radar, and I think it's a good coin to hold when you're just coming in and looking for something that can continue to rise, especially as this bull run takes charge. And just lastly, on how cheap Icon is at the moment, if we are comparing it to Polkadot and Chainlink, we've got Polkadot at 38 billion market cap. We've got Chainlink at 18 billion. ICX, you've got to come all the way down to 1.3 billion only. So you can just imagine how many multiples it would do if people start latching on to its comparability, or if their project itself implements any upgrades and becomes comparable in people's minds. My fourth and final coin that I would recommend buying if you're new to crypto is a coin that has already had its pump, and it'd be good to get it a bit cheaper than what it is, but it's going to be Solana, which is currently trading at around $40, 11 billion market cap. You can see the chart here. It's kind of just steadily risen, but gone sideways for a little while, which might be a good time to come in when it is going sideways, hopefully preceding another pump. I actually don't own this coin at the moment. I'll be looking for a little bit more of a dip, maybe to 35, and then investing some money into this project. A lot of solid info on their websites. It's an entire ecosystem. Very smart team that have launched other cryptos as well. Let's have a look at some of their partnerships. We've got Apple, Google, Intel, Microsoft. These say it all. These charts get wheeled out for pretty much every coin, but you can see how it compares to Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. If the hype train on Ethereum starts getting a little shaky and people are looking for competitors, this might be one that they pile into in the near term. This is a good article to read if you want to know more about the technicals behind why Solana is an impressive
blockchain. There's 8 innovations it brings to the table, and they are these: proof of history and so on and so forth. So again, trading at quite a premium, but who knows how high it can go. I think it's a solid project. Seems quite future-proof compared to its competitors, namely Ethereum. And for that reason, that will be the 4th coin I suggest if you're new to crypto.
Alright guys, those are my 4 cryptocurrencies that I'm recommending to purchase if you are brand new to the crypto market. There are so many cryptocurrencies out there, and I'm sure, and of course there would be some cryptocurrencies that have better fundamentals than some of these cryptocurrencies. But like I said, you have to balance a few different factors in when determining which projects to invest in, especially now with so many people already holding on to profits. You're really looking for some bargains and for some coins that have good price momentum. Anyway guys, keen to hear your thoughts. Do you have these cryptos? Do you think these are good picks? Let me know in the comments below. Which other cryptocurrencies do you think are solid investments to invest in now? Also keen to read those comments. But that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.